using AI to edit videos, and today we're taking a look at AI Vlog, and it's actually a back app that allows you to automatically select highlights from a video, and this will make sure that you only pick the best parts of the video without having to spend tons of time editing a video. And I think the part that's really exciting and they're still working on is that you're able to use text. So you just write a sentence and then the system will edit your video based on that. So it's not longer needed to select a part of the video or to spend countless time clipping the right part. Just describe what you want, and the AI should, in theory, at least find out what you want to change, and yeah, make sure that everything fits nicely together. The audio is also working fluently, and so on. And this can, as I just mentioned, it's still a work in progress, but I think it can really make editing a lot easier and make sure that everything is fitting nicely together. And especially for people that are traveling or want to make a lot of videos, it can be great to just pick out the right moments. And a lot of people don't have the skills or don't have the time to use professional editing software. For example, I'm making one video a day for a challenge, and I just don't have time at the moment to edit them completely. So using this type of software could really take my videos to the next level, and I think a lot of people would find it useful as well. For example, if you're traveling and you just need a quick Instagram story, you import it and the software does its thing. So I think it will help people and lower the threshold or make it easier for people to edit their videos in a more professional way without having to use a complex setup. It's software that you have to spend weeks or months on to just grab the basics. So yeah, I think it's a really exciting start, and especially once people can just use natural language or English to describe what they want, I think it's going to take a lot of people's videos to the next level. So a quick look to AI Vlog. Thank you for watching, have a great day ahead, and wish you all the best.